Okay. Okay, wonderful, wonderful, and beautiful, glorious day it is. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the day the Lord has made. Let us all rejoice and be glad in it. It is a super Saturday. Absolutely, it is. It is September 27th, 2025. All right. Um, Wish I had my youngest nephew in here with me because he loves to say it. Super. I asked him, I say, hey, Cade, man, you know how Uncle said. You say super Saturday. It is a super Saturday. It absolutely is. All right. And as I told you all earlier this week before, I am placing myself on trading punishment. Yes, I am. I am 100% placing myself on trading punishment. Why? Because I have not been disciplined. I have not been disciplined in following my rules. I have not been disciplined of risking 1%, max 1%, less 0.5 to 1% of my total account. I have been reckless. I have been reckless. I'm putting myself on punishment. So how do I put myself on punishment? I am going to uh, uh, I'm going to trade in demo accounts. Trading my demo account until I consistently become disciplined. I got documented. I'm looking for, let's see, Liquid Pro charts. Let's see. Let me see. I'm looking for something. Let's see. All right. What's up with it? People out there on Facebook Live, Facebook Land. What's up with it? All right. See the email come through. As a matter of fact, hold up. Let's see. Yahoo. When I'm looking over here, I'm looking at my TV screen. See what's up. All right. Let's see what we have here. All right. That's going to be 5.60. It's going to be the amount, I believe. Let me see. Man, I'm looking for something. Let me see. Crap. Let me go ahead and Let's see. I'm looking for how to. Let me see. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. All right. Hold up. That's what I'm looking for. Let me see. Let me see. I'm looking for something. Let me see. Okay, I need to fix that. Hold on. I'm just going for a sale. Okay, now I can close. All right. It's got my volume up. Oops. It's not my volume. All right, my volume is up. All right. Now I want to go back and add the money in the account. Let's see. So now it should say 9,900 something. All right. Let me see. What was the trying to figure out the was liquid something. Let me see. Liquid charts. There we go. This is the one I was looking for. This version, the web-based version. It's the version I was looking for. All right. Let's see, demo 3. Literally $3. Okay. All right, bet. There we go. There we go. Cool. All right. So now I can look for a possible setup on Bitcoin. All right. So sorry for that interruption. Sorry for that long awaited time. Let's see. Boom. Let's see what Bitcoin is attempting to do. I'm only going to stay on here for probably about 30 minutes. So I got to realize that this was a divergence, change of character, price did not, after the change of character, the price went to supply zone first. So then you start looking for sales. So that's why this sell was valid and the buying wasn't. Because you got to look at it. Right here is a divergence. From here to here is a divergence on a 1 hour time frame. All right. And so on the RSI, it's going to be slanting upward. Look at it. What happens is this. So after the change of character, bam, right here, price went immediately to a supply zone. So now you switch gears and start looking for sales. Okay. That's what happened. Oh, I say let price diverge and change character. It's either going to be a continuation or it's going to change trend. One or the other. It's going to be a continuation or it's going to change trend. Let it diverge, let it change character. It's going to show you what it really wants to do. So this low, now that this low led to the break above this, created this high. After the change of character, if it wanted to go bullish, price would have did this. So when price crossed this high, this low went up, led to this change of character. If price wanted to go bullish, it should immediately came down to fill this demand zone to then create a higher low to then do what? Go bullish, break structure right here and create a higher high. That's if you want to change trend, but it gave it away. It gave itself away because once price changed character, this low went straight to a high supply zone, which means this was a correction. This was a divergence, change of character, and it created a what? Reaccumulation, and went straight to a supply zone. My person on Facebook, you want to watch? Oh, there ain't nobody but Chris. We ain't worry about him. Chris ain't interested in trade, no way. My brother, I love him, but he ain't interested in trade, no way. Oh, watch them sad ass Gators. So that's what I'm incorporating into my trading. That that price divergence change character is either going to be a change of trend or it's going to be a continuation based on high prints. Based on how the market prints. It was a classic sign of a price did not want to do a reversal and go bullish. They wanted to continue the sales to the downside. That was obvious. My person on Facebook, appreciate you watching me. You want to learn anything about trading? You have any questions, problems, or concerns about trading? I'm live right now on my YouTube channel. What's up with it? Come on live. If you want to come on live on Facebook, hey, hit the button. Hit the request live button. If Facebook even have that. I'm only gonna be on for about 30 minutes. So what's up? What's your question? Shoot your shot. Shoot your shot. What's your question? Anything about trading? I don't be cruel. Goodness. Attitude. Don't be cruel. Don't be cruel. What's up? Anybody got questions, problems, concerns? Any questions, problems, concerns? Only going to be on for about 30 minutes. Now, you would think that, oh man, I'm on the M5 time frame looking at Bitcoin. People think, oh yeah, it's consolidating. Everything that price does on every single time frame is intentional. So we have to be able to read it. Got about 15 minutes left. I don't be cruel. I don't be cruel. So here's the demand zone right here. I'm gonna mark this on the let's see. Yeah, here's the demand zone right here on the daily. So I got 15 minutes. I thought you said you was gonna do 30. I got 15 minutes. Look at it. It's right here in the corner. I got 16. Put it on mute right quick. We are back. I'm looking at this as a demand zone on a daily for Bitcoin, where price can possibly go bullish. There's a classic W right here. You go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then bam. So not from this supply zone though. It didn't sell from that supply zone. Went and took some more orders from right here. Basically this zone right here is basically where price sold from. Right here, this supply zone. Somebody tell? Oh, me tell. Okay. All right. So I believe price is gonna shoot past this low right here, cause you got to realize this: divergence, change of character. When price caused that change of character, went straight to a supply zone. So you can't see it on the daily, but you can see it on H4. How this whole thing right here is a divergence. From here to here is a divergence without even looking at the RSI. This right here is the change of character area. So watch. Boom. There's your slant lower. Here's your slant upward or equal lows. See? Slant upward. Right here, the midpoint. Right here, the last lower high to break that low, create the new low. That's the lower high. That's what sellers are active at. Price came to that, caused a change of character, and then went straight to a supply zone. So now you look for what you sell. And so this whole thing right here is a divergence. Right here, from here to here, is a divergence. Price is literally slanting upward right here, and it's going to be slanting lower on RSI. Watch. Bam. Look at it. Yikes. So Now I come to find out I could have actually held this sell from here all the way to down here. I could have held that sell, and there's another sell that I took right here that I could have held all the way down here. But they teach his own. I really want to get to that point in my trading career where I'm able to hold trades that long, but only with chart experience. Only with chart experience. I'm putting in work. So now this becomes a supply zone, and this is a supply zone as well. It's a game of refilling the imbalances. Refilling the imbalance. So now the next valid demand zone is right here, because this accumulation, reaccumulation broke this structure and created this high. So now you got to see when is this going to get mitigated. So what I can simply do is put a horizontal ray right above this deal and make it red and say it's a daily alert, and then put a alert here that says daily demand zone. Don't be cruel. Don't be cruel. So then when price hits this level, let me know. When price hits 104,000, 64,074 cents of Bitcoin, it'll let me know and alert me 3 times through this trading desktop, through my personal email, and on the TradingView app itself. Okay, and doing a $10,000 demo account because I'm putting myself on punishment because I haven't been disciplined recently, and so that's what it is. You know your numbers, just haven't been disciplined. So I don't know how long it's gonna last as far as me putting myself on punishment, but we shall see. Gold. Okay. Price created an M right here. Okay. Demands on mitigated. Accumulation, reaccumulation, break of structure. So we had a internal break of structure, reaccumulation, price, then diverge and change character, and immediately went to a demand zone. So you got your divergence, you got your change of character, price went immediately to a demand zone. So we have to look at that a bit further and deeper. Let's see. So you got your divergence right here, change of character, price created a high, came back, mitigated his demands on low. It went up. So somewhere in here is your demand zone where price is currently sitting at. It's a demand zone. Your price needs to hit somewhere here. So we don't know if price is going to respect it or not, but somewhere in there, she got price, create this high, diverge, change character, refill, boom. This one hasn't been refilled. So we will have to see what's up. We will have to see what's up. We will have to see what's up. Oh, goodness. But Gold is not open. Gold isn't open. So, which was it was like a questionnaire. Anybody have any questions, problems, or concerns? I'm hopping off in about 6 minutes. Hopping off about 6 minutes. You can reach out to me in the description below the video. Got free telegrams that I do free calls with, free Zoom calls with. You can reach out to me. It's public. It's free. Anybody of any trading level, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, wanting to become a part of the trading community is for free. I'm just I'm teaching a skill set so that you be able to have a skill set nobody can ever take away from you. You can be able to generate $1 from your mind and from anywhere at any time that you want. We're going to be going in-depth trading stuff because I don't want you all to be able to. My goal is for you not to be able to have to rely on me. My thing is for you to become your own signal and for you to be confident enough to click the button by yourself, you know. So we can get to the point where, hey, what you're looking at? Hey, what you're looking at? It's things like that. So the two pairs I only study are Bitcoin and gold. Now, if the market moves and prints on every other pair and every other market the same way. I'm just restricting myself to two pairs. And so two pairs it is because you can do a split screen on TradingView. Excuse me. So, like I said, my goal, glad I grabbed that. I take the skill set seriously. Absolutely 100% take the skill set seriously. Some people take it for a joke. Some people, they take it as a hobby. I take it seriously. I take it serious as a heart attack. I take it serious as me making it to the next day, waking up next 24 hours from now. So, and my thing is to inspire, impact at least one person. Then that one person is impacted. Then it's going to be double that, and then double that, then double that, because you're not going to be able to contain yourself because you're winning. You want to see your circle win. You want to see people in your circle and your family win as well. So it's going to spread like rapid wildfire. All I ask is for your commitment, not no money, your commitment. Because if I'm investing my time into you, my return of investment is that you become your own signal. That's it. You're not hurting me. If you don't reach out to me, I'm an open book. Talk to any and everybody. Converse with any and everybody. So you've been sitting there, been watching me, and you haven't said anything, or even if you're part of my Telegram chat, you haven't said anything, and you've been taking on your own risk or whatever the case may be, that's on you, not me. Putting out a weekly schedule every single week, the times I'm going to go on. So if you don't type in a question, or if you don't come on the live to ask a question, then it's on you. I mean, you have me as a resource. You don't have to wait until the live to answer the question. Or you don't have to wait till the live to ask the question. You can post a screenshot. Hey man, I just want to take a look at this for me. X, Y, and Z, whatever the case may be. It doesn't matter. The whole point of the community is for us to grow as traders and to get better. I told you, I tell everybody now, I'm on my Warren Buffett journey. I am on my Warren Buffett journey. If you do not know who Mr. Warren Buffett is, you need to Google him. You need to Google him. All right, so I'm about to be signing off in less than a minute. I didn't see, because like I said, I'm doing with a $10,000 demo account. I'm putting myself on punishment because I haven't been disciplined recently in my live account. And so I didn't see any setups on Bitcoin today, this evening. I didn't see any setups that I would take. So hold on. Divergence, okay, low, high, higher, low, breaker structure. You hit a supply zone right here. So this may sell down. This may sell. You gotta understand how to read candlesticks. I'm gonna go over that as well. I'm gonna teach you that as well. All you gotta do is open your mouth. Let's see. It's like it's gonna be a sale. Okay, low. Low. It's like it's gonna be a sale. See what the 15 looking like. Still look like it's gonna be a sale. Okay, 30-minute candle finished bullish engulfing. Okay, so price is gonna push up a little bit more. It's gonna push up a little bit more. Gonna push up a little bit more because the 30-minute candlestick finished as a bullish engulfing candlestick, which is representing accumulation. So you got your accumulation, and then you're gonna have your reaccumulation. But is your reaccumulation gonna take out this high, or somewhere between this high and this low? Sellers can come in and prevent this high from being broken. All right, it's past the time. Like I said, you can download Telegram and add yourself to not only the community but the Signals chat. I appreciate each and every one of you for taking time out of your busy schedule. Don't listen to what I have to say. It's always greatly appreciated. I will never ever take it for granted. Have a safe, blessed, productive rest of your super Saturday. Know that I love you, and as I always like to say, God created us on purpose to fulfill a purpose. So, what purpose are you willing to fulfill? And as I always like to say, don't be one of many. Be the one to whichever that is. All right. Take care. I'll see you on the next live, which will be Monday. But that doesn't mean you posting stuff in the chat. I will not comment on the your post in the Telegram. I answer all posts and telegrams every single day. All right. Screenshots, messages. It ain't even got to deal with trading. Okay. But I appreciate y'all. Love y'all life. See y'all on the next live. All right. Take care. Take care, Facebook.